Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So please join me while cooking the Australian oyster blade steak. This one guys. So we'll cook this one and we might be using the same recipe or the same procedure every time we cook different kinds of meat. So these are our ingredients guys. I already cut big onion and also the tomato and our Australian oyster blade steak. Then we need oil. Then we get this a splash of glazed balsamic vinegar. Then salt, of course. Then black pepper and minced garlic. Then we need some soy sauce and tomato sauce. Okay, so we'll start. So our pan is ready, guys. So we need to turn this on. Okay, then turning on the stove and turn on the light as well as the exhaust fan. Okay, so we are going to put a little bit of oil. Just oil. We're going to pre-fry the steak. Then later on I will just add some water in it. Okay, I think that would be enough. But before that, we need to cook first the onion. I think we need some more. Okay, we'll add a bit more. Okay, that's it. Okay, then I think we need some. Okay, this one. I'll use this. So we'll just wait until it's hot. Okay, I think it's already hot, guys. Put our onion. Fry our onion. We'll wait until it's golden brown. It turned into golden brown. Then later we'll just put the tomatoes. So we already take out the onions, guys, and then here we put the tomatoes. We'll just fry it a bit. So it says that we're going to fry or cook the tomato. The lycopene amount or content will increase. So we added a bit of oil, guys. So we are now ready to put or pre-fry our steak. Here we go. Just pre-fry and then add some water later. So finally, guys, we already placed our oyster steak. We call it Australian oyster blade steak. Okay, so we'll just pre-fry this one, guys. Then later on, we'll add some water and some spices until it's cooked. Because it looks nicer when it turned into golden brown when you pre-fry this before it will be finally cooked. So I'm so excited what will be the result of this, guys. So guys, we already lit it up and added half cup of water. Then we might be adding some spices now. I think we're ready to put some spices now. I'm planning to put some. We need to put this. Sorry. So guys, we'll put minced garlic. We're done putting the minced garlic, guys, and this time we will put some salt and black pepper. I think that's enough. Then a bit of soy sauce. Please continue watching, guys. I'll let you taste this one later. And of course, we might add this one. I think it would make the tastier, even tastier. And a bit sweeter. Then I'm planning. So I will put Coke Zero again, guys. Pambansang recipe. This will add the taste later. So guys, this is how it looks like now. And later on, we'll just going to mix that. When it's already cooked, we'll just let it stay like that until the soup is dry. So let's get the rest of the ingredients. Okay. So this is how it looks like. It looks like, guys. It's already caramelized, and I already added like 2 cups of water. So to make sure that the meat is really cooked, well cooked. Okay? But it's quite thick, so we might check if they're already cooked. It looks tasty. I hope it's already soft. I'll try this later. But some of this turned off the exhaust fan as well as the light. So guys, we'll try. I cut a small slice of it, and